2013 Mercedes B-Class came in for factory reversing camera and CarPlay upgrade. So obviously it also wanted to go for 1080p rear, front and back dash cam. So see, there's the back one. Move around to the front of the car. This will show you the front camera's just there in 1080p, HDR as well. So this is part of the G on X range. And then moving over to the CarPlay, so this will give you all your normal CarPlay apps, stuff like Spotify. If I scroll along, you'll see Waze. You can open up Waze as well. Obviously where this guy had the reversing camera as well, will be fitted one. If I go to reverse, it shows us the reversing camera picture there with moving guidelines left and right of the vehicle. There you go.